Hello viewers, today Shastra Kings is going to explain you about endemic species. Come on, let's go into the video. Endemic species are those species which are found exclusively in a particular area. They are not found naturally anywhere. A particular type of animal or plant species may be endemic zone, a state or a country. Now come on friends, we can see some examples.
Lemurs. Lemurs are wet-nosed primates of the superfamily Lemuridae, divided into 8 families and consisting of 15 genera and around 100 existing species. They are native only to the island of Madagascar. Most existing lemurs are small, have a pointed snout, large eyes, and long tail. They are arboreal and nocturnal.
Thorny devil lizard. The thorny devil lizard, also known commonly as the mountain devil and thorny lizard, is a species of lizard. The species is endemic to Australia. It is the sole species in the genus Molech. It grows up to 21 centimeters, that is 8.3 inches in total, including the tail also, with females generally larger than males. It can also live up to 20 years. It lays 3 to 10 eggs at a time. The spines help them to guide the water towards its neck and into the lizard's mouth. The spines also protect them from the predators.
Tasmanian devil. Tasmanian devils are related to poles, cat-like Australian marsupials, also called native cats. Both are classified in the family Dasyuridae. The Tasmanian devil has a very short lifespan. In the wild, a healthy, disease-free devil can live up to 5 to 6 years old. They'll eat lizards, frogs and insects, in fact almost any animal protein they can find. When devils find a dead animal such as wallaby, they will eat it, bones, fur and all. Hawaiian hoary bat. Hawaiian hoary bat belongs to the family of Vespertilionidae. The adult Hawaiian hoary bat size is up to 6.5 cm to 7.5 cm. It just weighs 26 to 28 grams. The Hawaiian hoary bat is endemic to island of Hawaii. Female hoary bats are pregnant when they begin their northward migration in spring. They live up to 6 to 7 years. Mother gives birth typically to twins between mid-May and late June. Although most bat species bear just one pup a year, hoary bat females have 2 pairs of breeds and sometimes rear as many as 3 or 4 pups in a litter. They search for food above the treetops, along streams and lake shores, and in urban areas where there are a lot of trees. These bats stop to rest between meals at night. Feeding is the only time that hoary bat appear to associate with other bat species. Hoary bats often form groups when hunting for insects.
Tokioka kiwi. The southern brown kiwi, the Tokioka or common kiwi, is a species of kiwi from New Zealand's South Island. Until 2000, it was considered conspecific with the North Island brown kiwi and still is same by some authorities. The southern brown kiwi communicate vocally to aid in defending their territory. They will also sing duets with each other, with the male shrill kiwi kiwi or ki and the female host kurkur. Males are more vocal and they both call in an upright position with their legs stretched up out and their bill pointing up. Thank you friends. Please do subscribe, like and share our YouTube channel and do support us.